boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Tom MacDonald. He really found a recipe of playing simple chords, catchy melodies and songs, and create great songs. Us in the USA is another one of them. 4 chords. We don't need any capo. You just go and grab a guitar, play it as it is, and 4 simple chords as well. So let's start with this tutorial. Before we move on with that one, we have to highlight my new YouTube channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar, the same way as this channel, but also 6 strings ago. Why? Because we have some old classics there, and all the way to recent time, great songs. You will probably know many of them, and the big difference there is we have a full playthrough. I'm there playing, but not speaking. Play a full song for you, chord shown, and that's the deal. A different way of teaching full songs. So go and help me out there, guys. Subscribe to that channel, support me there, and that's the best way you can thank me for the work I'm doing for you guys. So yeah, link up here somewhere, I believe. Now let's focus on MacDonald's, us in the USA. All right, we have 4 chords like I mentioned. We're gonna go through them right now. E minor is the first one, and it sounds like that. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next up is the C G, basically a C chord but with this G note added in the bass. So we're gonna start with that. Third E, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the G. That goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And finally, we have the D. Open D, second G, third B, and second E. Simple strumming pattern to this. If you grab the first chord, E minor, you're gonna play down, down, up, like this. If you can separate the 2 downs from each other, the first 2 downs, the first one on the bass string, and the second one a little bit down there in the mid higher area, that is great. So down, down, and then up, up. That's it. So down, down, up, down, down. But you're not gonna stay on that E minor through the entire song. You're actually gonna switch chords in the same order we just learned them. So 1 string around on E minor, 1 on the C G, 1 on G, and 1 on D. And that is just keep on rolling through the entire song. So let's do that together. Alright guys, millions of songs has been written with these formula, E minor, C, G, and D, and variations of them. This is one great amongst them. Us in the USA, give it a shot. Hope you really liked it, and if you did, yes, you know how to thank me. The new channel, Growing Guitar 6 years ago, is there waiting for you. Thank you so much for your support, and next time, play tuned.